Well, this is going to be a little bit of a different video. Don't really have any car stuff going on today. But in case y'all don't know, I live in just north of Houston, Texas, in a town called Magnolia. And we just got hit with a crazy winter storm. And we've been without power for somewhere around 28 hours or so, and I'm actually recovering now. We had our power come on last night at about 3:45 in the morning, so yeah, about 26 hours of no power and temperatures that were as low as 12 degrees and probably as high about 25. This is actually Tuesday, February 16th. And we've actually had some sunshine today that changed some things, but long story short, we don't ever see snow in Houston. And some of this is actually already melted today, which yesterday it was about 3 to 4 inches. And we still have snow on the ground, and we've got some more expected later tonight. It has been a fiasco because the state of Texas and some of the councils that manage the production of the energy and electricity did something wrong. Don't know what they did wrong, but because of that, millions of people have been without power in houses that were not designed to be without power in frigid temps like this. This is nothing. I've been in Houston pretty much my whole life, and we've never ever had weather this cold and this much snow on the ground. I think we had 4 to 5 inches of snow, and I'm actually in a way a little bummed out to see that it's melting off, but that's just kind of part of it. But I did want to show you guys a couple things. It's not going to be a real long video, but this is kind of cool. So when we bought Gramps, we picked it up, and in the back of Gramps, which is still some here, they had a plethora of crepe myrtle trees that had been cut down. This saved our butts the last, I don't know, about 30 hours or so, because we were able to burn this in my fireplace and keep some heat in the house. If it wasn't for this, it'd have been pretty meek. It'd have been a whole lot more uncomfortable. I have a small generator, but nothing that can power my furnace or anything like that. So this is pretty much the only heat that we've had in the house. Thank God it was here, because it really saved the day. And so Gramps really pulled through. And it's another reason that we're going to be attached to this truck, because what a difference it made. The house is not real warm at all. It was not crazy warm. I think we were able to keep it around 50 degrees. But this is a really unprecedented event, and we're hoping that we don't lose power again, but my faith is not very high. But I had to capture some of this, and at the end of this video I'll put my dogs coming out in the snow. It was pretty crazy for them. They had never seen nothing like it. So it's actually kind of comfortable out here right now for the first time in about a day and a half, 2 days that we can be outside. So I'm not dying out here because it's too cold. Oh man, some of this ice is all slushy over here. This is just nuts. I had to bring the Dakota inside the garage because it has no antifreeze in it, and we're gonna pray and hope that that block didn't crack, because I don't think it got lower than freezing in the garage. But we'll follow up on that here in a little bit. But anyways, it's been a journey. So no video about car stuff out this week. I really hope anybody that's going through this around here as well is safe and as warm as possible. I actually kind of feel kind of guilty for having power now, because this has just been a rough thing to go through, and if people still don't have power, it's just messed up. And somebody definitely dropped the ball big time, because there was plenty of time to prepare for this. And it's not even our power lines, it's our power lines are fine, and there are some power lines that exhibited some damage, but it's the actual generators themselves that are shut down and caused all this issue. So go outside and show you some of the front of the neighborhood, which again, some of the snow is really melting. So you can see my wife's car hasn't moved. My truck, we tried to go find a gas station yesterday just in case we could fill it up if we needed it, and we were unsuccessful, so we turned around and came home. But the roads have been extremely icy, and yeah, this should show you at least how much snow. That's their hood right there, and this is powder still on the top of her car. I'm stepping on ice right now, and this has been mostly what the streets have been like. Today's the first day we've been able to see the street since Sunday night. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna hope again everybody's safe, not dealing with the same kind of mess, and hope the Dakota's okay. But I'm gonna let y'all get back to it, so you know the deal. Until next time, y'all be good.